Guys, I can act.
Do not call me. Yes, I need a blue backpack. Is that a blue backpack? This is not a blue backpack. This is orange. This is orange. I can't grab it. You scam me. There you go. Yeah, give me a pickaxe. Good boy. Yeah. Thank you. Good boy. No. That's trash. What even OG that?
want to go to planetarium. Yeah, I want to go to planetarium. Guys, I can't carry with 2 sticks. They're actually kind of useful. Like,
Get out! Bro, we're trying. Get out! Jamari, get your stupid friend out of this code, yo. Get out of this code. No one knows you're unknown. You're unknown. Get out. No one likes you. Yeah, this is your fault, Jamari.
What?
No, come kill me. Come kill me. Oh yeah, come over here. Come kill me. Come on, Blue. Come kill me. Come on, come kill me. Ah. Ask Jamari for one. He's freaking words. Ah, come kill me. Yeah, come kill me. Dang, it's all RPG.
Jamari, put the RPG down. Put it. Jamari, put the RPG down. Put it down. Put it down. Wait, Jamari, can you buy me a backpack? Thank you. Big one. Yeah. That I think this
I
one's
want that one. Ooh.
That's pretty
Guys,
good.
It's
Wait,
pretty
Jamari,
tough.
can you buy me a
you
gun?
want me to leave?
Jamari, can you buy me a gun? Jamari, can you buy me a revolver?
he wants me to leave.
Leave! Get out! It's freaking.
Only
Nah, drop that stuff too. Drop,
you need to
drop
give
it.
me
Drop.
an RPG if you want me to leave.
I'm just gonna kill you. What?
Adonis, can you buy me a revolver, please?
No, I'm broke.
Oh,
being
you're
dead
freaking
outside. I
capping.
got
You're
money.
capping. You're lying. You're not
What?
freaking broke.
I got no money on.
Yeah, put your freaking backpack in here.
Okay. What's the person should I do? Oh, I like.
Get out. Yeah, loser. Good boy.
Get out, monkey. Fudge.
Dang, you made him appear off.
Wait,
Watch you make him appear
Jamari,
off
can you buy me a
live.
revolver? Jamar, can you buy me a revolver real quick? I need a gun.
How rich are you?
Okay, we're just gonna get up. We're just gonna go on an adventure real quick.
Can I have that rocket launcher? Give me the rocket launcher.
I'm gonna need some bullets. I'm gonna need some bullets later on.
Good boy. Come here. Come here. Ow.
My bad, gang. My bad.
No,
You will explode me.
Bet.
You will
You want the
fit.
cheese? I'll give y'all the cheese touch. I'll give y'all the cheese touch.
Don't give me that junk.
Nah, come here. Come here.
Die.
Your cheese touch.
Break over. Give me that junk. Move it.
Oh yeah.
Freaking monk.
Ugh.
Ew. P.U. onion boy.
Free you that loser. Yeah. Y'all wanna say I stink? Y'all dead. Yeah, y'all
I
wanna
think
say I
you
stink?
still
Y'all freaking
stink.
dead. Bet. You said I still stink? I'm on that.
I was joking.
Don't run.
Where the freak's my stuff at? Adonis, what do you think?
Why you
Blow
just
yourself
blow us
up,
all
monk.
up?
No, yeah, exactly. Adonis, where's my stuff? Where's my stuff at, Adonis?
Give me my bag. Actually, give me my bag.
Adonis, where's my
Stop.
stuff
Give me my
at?
bag.
Give my revolver back, monkey.
That's not yours.
Where the freak's it at then?
I don't know. I bought my own.
Where's my stuff? You blew me up, monk. I hate you.
Give me my rocket launcher.
Freak your lock, your
Good
launcher. Where's my stuff at, Adonis?
I don't know. I didn't touch your stuff.
You blew me up. Oh, you bum. I hate you. No, I'm being so serious.
I'm gonna get knocked out.
Adonis.
I
Adonis,
hate
did we just
you.
get nuked? Adonis,
Yes.
did we just get nuked? No, Jamari. Jamari. Adonis destroyed my stuff. I don't know where it is. Can you buy me a new revolver? Freaking Adonis.
Can you buy me a
yo.
rocket? Can you buy me a rocket?
No, you don't need anything. Adonis, empty
Yeah,
your
rocket
bag,
me.
because I know you
Yeah.
snatched something.
W.
Adonis, empty your bag. Empty your
You're just
bag
gonna
now.
rob me. This is all mine. Look, exactly. You're a bot. Yeah, you're dying. Actually,
Bum.
there's a rocket launcher
Thank
on the floor. Here, I'll take that.
Adonis, where is my stuff?
I don't know. Stop asking me, loser.
You know exactly where you saw me when I got exploded. That junk's gone.
Okay, that's your stuff. I don't care.
You freaking bum. Yeah, just for that.
Why would I pay attention to your stuff?
Because you exploded me. You saw where that junk went.
No, I didn't. And look what I saw. You're blind. Dang, he lost that junk in the lava.
Oh, you bum. You gave me the freaking cheese touch. And that's time to murder you?
I saw your gun. Jamari launched it into the lava.
What? Jamari!
Why are we yelling out Jockey Chicken? What the freak?
Give me the grappler back, Adonis. Adonis! What the frick did you do?
Chicken Jockey.
That junk is not funny.
Yeah, so why you died because of chicken? What the freak? Your backpack is gone. Here's your backpack.
My gun up there?
No, your backpack is.
Where's my gun?
In the lava, it said that.
Where? Where in the lava?
I don't know.
Jamari, can you stop blowing me up, please?
Cheese touch. Cheese touch. Cheese touch. Cheese.
Jamari, where's my gun at? So we're geeks now? Are we geeks, bruh? Can we stop?
I think your backpack gone.
Oh my god, Jamari, stop making me lose my stuff.
Dude, your stuff gone.
My stuff's gone because of you.
I see it. I found it. It's over here. It's over here. Samari.
Somebody
Samari,
give me the
it's over
freaking
here.
cheese touch, blood. Come the freak over here.
It's over here, Samari.
Now you stink, freaking loser.
Right there. Chicken.
Hate you so much, Jamari. I got blown up the rest.
Rocket launcher.
I need someone to get me my gun back. I want my gun.
It's in the lava. It's gone, retard.
Where? Where's the lava?
Are you stupid? It disintegrated.
You bum!
Wow.
Jamari, can you please replace what you literally like? Wait, what are we doing? I'm gonna kill you.
Did you just say your mama? He's literally calling you a brokey. You see this throw an impact grenade? Did he? Put his stuff down.
Adonis, I'm leaving. No, I'm leaving. Adonis,
Jamari,
I'm
take
leaving.
this. Jamari, take it.
Did he just die?
Yeah.
Oh, you bum!
Nasty jockey.
I'm gonna kill you. Cause I don't want to have the cheese touch. Look at your stinky booty self away from me. Ugh, you stink.
Does it have ammo? God dang! He trick shot at me. Why'd you press it, Samari? You're actually a bum. Drop my bag.
Cause I couldn't freaking do anything. Jamari, shut up. Before I freaking hate you.
I just got intermediate back. Give my grappler. Give my grappler.
I love
Yeah,
my
I'm getting my RPG.
Get your RPG. Gotta go.
Freaking loser.
I hate you.
Yeah, get those back shots. Get those back shots to the lava. So you died. Oh yeah. Give my grappler. Give my grappler. Thank you. Yeah, that's why you died, Samari. Why did you kill him?
Cause he deserved to die. I had to murder him. That easy skillax. Easy.
Yeah, you're a freaking bot. Do not shoot me with a rocket launcher. Freaking loser. Give me rocket ammo. Give me rocket ammo. Give me rocket. I need rocket ammo. I hate you, Brokey. So broke.
Get away from me.
Somehow you're a bot. Put his bag down.
Adonis, I don't want to play anymore.
Why?
Can I have that gun back too?
What the freak are you alive? Sir.
I need a gun. Can I get a
I
gun
just
real
shot
quick?
Samari in the side of his head and he's still alive.
Yes, thank you. I need a gun.
Wow,
because
but I
Adonis
can't get
is
a rocket ammo?
Freaking bomb. I hate you. Where's my gun? Thank you. Yeah! Yeah, Adonis, what's up?
Oh, yeah!
No, you're selling, Jamari.
Nah, get out of spawn. Get out of spawn. Get out of
Nah,
spawn.
I'm gonna stay in spawn. I'm gonna put my gun away.
Yeah, you're dying. Drop my stuff. Drop my stuff. Drop my stuff. I will blow you up.
In here.
Drop it.
Here.
Give me my grappler.
I don't got your grappler. I threw that junk away a long time ago.
Give me my grappler.
I don't have it.
Yeah, you're gay.
I don't
Where's
have
my
it. I
grappler?
threw it away.
What's up?
Are we gonna go mine, Adonis?
Nah. Bro, Samari, stop putting my grappler in your storage. Give me my grappler. You're so weird.
I don't
Give my
have your
grappler.
grappler.
You put it in your bag. I watched you do it. Give me my grappler bag. Well, I want my grappler back. Samari took it. Thank you. Samari's gay. He likes men.
Ah, you can't blow me up. Freaking loser. Freaking faggot.
Exactly. I could have just did.
But you can't shoot me. You freaking
Thank
fuck.
you.
Come on, Adonis, shoot me.
Freaking loser.
Ah. Oh, thank you. I just got a bunch of money. Jamari, you were worth quite a little bit.
Sell it.
I'm not. I'm good.